Where you at? Hey, how's it going? Hey, Crash Outdoors here. Hey, so I am in the truck again. Wow. Go figure. I'm always in this thing, right? I just can't believe it. There's a cop right there. Oh, well. He didn't see you. Yeah, well, I am on my way to actually go to downtown Sacramento. We have had a lot of flooding in our rivers lately, and I'm going to go check it out. So hopefully you like this little change of pace, because I'm going to take you along with me. So you're probably wondering, what about your push-ups, the 100-day challenge? Well, they were already done earlier this morning. I'll put them in later. Right now, I want to go downtown. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going downtown. This is insane, guys. I mean, I've seen it flood before, but I've never seen it this high. It's been about 10, 20 years since they said this has happened. 20 years ago, I was 9, 10, somewhere around there. I mean, look at this. It's all the way up in the picnic area over here. And those are picnic benches right there. Right there. And we haven't even made it downtown yet. There's a park bench. There's more down there. Wow. Well, they can't say we're in a drought anymore. California has water. Now the thing is, how do we keep it here? Come on, California, figure it out. I made it. Old Town Sacramento. Let's go see. Yes, it is sprinkly a little bit. I gotta hurry up. I only had 30 cents in my truck, so the meter has 11 minutes on it. I tried to use my card. It didn't work. So we gotta hurry up. Ain't this ironic? Water is always a precious commodity in California. We are currently expecting unusual dry conditions. Really? This is insane, guys. Look across the way. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see if I can point at it. Right there. Right there. Those right there are steps that used to go down to a picnic area for the state workers in that big building right there, as well as right there. Most of those stairs are underwater now, as well as the picnic area. That's crazy. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. I'll turn the camera around in a second so you guys can see this. Wow. Okay, So it used to be this little area that I'll show you in a second. Used to be 20 feet, maybe a little bit more, down to the bank, and then the water thereafter. Now, turn you around, it's about 5 feet until it reaches this top platform that I'm standing on right here. That is crazy. Right, that right there's the old Pioneer Bridge. I remember fishing under that a year ago, and you could barely even throw a rock and hit the bottom of it when you're in your boat. Now, it's about, I don't know, more than 5 feet. About 10 feet before it reaches the bridge. Wow. So it looks like we're about to run out of road. It's flooded right here. And I gotta go to work in these clothes, so I'm not gonna go through there. Wow. Just shows you how high the Sacramento River is right now. This is nuts. Ugh. That's all the time I had for right now. The meter is pretty much done. I think I ran out of time. So we're hurrying back, and it's starting to rain a little heavier now. So, got the trash. Seriously, people, throw away your trash. It's that easy. All right, guys. I'm going to end this video today with my 100 push-up challenge. So here it is, 100 days, 100 push-ups, day 10, starting now. Hey guys, thanks for coming along on this adventure. Like I said, I was going to try something new. I hope you guys liked it. If so, leave a comment. If not, leave a comment. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me. I couldn't do it without you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.